How to fix Google Chrome black screen problem. To do this, go to the search section and type Chrome. Then right-click Chrome and select Open File Location. Right-click Chrome again and choose Create Shortcut from Show More Options. Click Yes and continue. Right-click the shortcut we created and open Properties. After opening Properties, add the Disable GPU parameter after space in the target field. You can copy this parameter from the video description below. Click Apply and OK to save the changes. Open Chrome using this shortcut. After opening, type chrome://flags in the address bar. Here, what we need to do is search for Choose Angle Graphics Backend and set it to default. After doing this, close Chrome. You can delete this shortcut as it's no longer needed. Now you can check whether the Google Chrome black screen problem is solved or not.